is L'Oreal Elvive Dream Length No Cut hair product. That is gonna be what's up on this wash day. I'm gonna take you guys down with me how I wash my hair with this the whole line of products. I feel like I should be ashamed of myself because this is the very first full line of product that I own, but then again I'm not, as I am about to prove to myself and demonstrate to you guys that you do not need the full line of product to make your hair journey work. So I've got the shampoo, the detangling conditioner, leave-in, and the mask. So this is the mask, thick as you would expect a mask to be. Smells good. Definitely know that about this product. That is one reason why I love them, because the leave-in conditioner was the one I got first, so I got hooked. Right, now that we got that out of the way, welcome to my channel, everybody. Welcome to my channel, and let's get started with this product line here, guys. This is a protein-based product. I am expecting some sort of softness to my hair, but I am also hoping for it to act like a protein product, because that is what it is. If you are not aware, this is not a moisturizing conditioner or treatment or whatever. It is protein based. So I start off by damping my hair a bit, and I apply the shampoo all over the root of my hair. For the most part, I try not to get it to the length of the hair, because the reason I don't do that is when I'm rinsing the shampoo out, the shampoo that is coming from the root of the hair are gonna rinse out the length of the hair anyway. Let me just first of all tell you guys what this shampoo did. It completely stripped my hair. This is a shampoo, it's not a sulfate free shampoo. This is a sulfate shampoo. I knew that. It's not like I did not know. So it cleans the heck out of my hair completely. My hair felt strong, but at the same time it felt dry, like desert. I'm not surprised. So that was how that was how this shampoo make my hair feels. So I proceed to rinse that out. I did two ladder. I did the other one off camera. Did not apply it to the length of my hair, only on the root, and just walk my way in. So I rinse it out, apply the conditioner that comes with it. At the minute I apply the conditioner to my hair, everything it's like the shampoo didn't exist. So here is the conditioner. I got the SS large pack version of it. The conditioner is called a detangling conditioner. It is very, very moisturizing. The minute it hit my hair, it made it instantly soft, which I was very pleased about, because what the shampoo did, the conditioner kind of make up for it. Again, if you are watching this and you haven't got my hair type, please apply that conditioner with caution. Midway down on your hair, not completely from root to tip like I'm doing. So the conditioner definitely make my hair soft, which I was really pleased about. So I went in and detangled while my hair is wet. FYI, this is the only time I run cold through my hair whilst my hair is dripping wet. And that is because I'm only doing this because the conditioner is doing its business. My hair is extremely wet, and any minute now I'm gonna go in with shower, and as the force of the water running through the hair, it help detangle, separate the hair in a way anyway. So this is the only time I can do this. So on a normal day, I cannot comb my hair like this unless there's some sort of force of water going through it. So the shampoo I did not like. In the end, I'm gonna reserve it for, you know, them shampoos or products you use for once in a month. So when I'm due to clarify my hair, I might use this. This might come handy because it strips everything out anyway, just like a clarifying shampoo would do. Other than that, it's gonna be in the corner for use for wigs or extensions and what not have you, because boy, I ain't having my hair stripped this way every week. There's just no way. No. So that was that. In the end, I was like telling myself, this is exact same reason why I don't use the whole full product line, because, well, thank goodness for that really, because if you need the whole full product line, if I need the whole full product, like me, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, mask, all of the whole full house, then my hair would have been nowhere. So if any of you who's followed my journey so far, you will find that I don't use any, none of my product match. Leave-in from that brand, conditioner from the other, detangler from the other one, everything just like that. Because the reason is, other than Care hair product, which obviously they're gonna charge arm and leg for it, I cannot seem to find a brand that I can just use shampoo, conditioner, the whole full house. I can't, because you see that the shampoo is not that great, or the mask wasn't that great. So as talking of masks, the mask that came with it wasn't quite economic for me in the end, because I'm gonna be lucky if I can get 2 use out of the jar. There wasn't a lot in there. So that for me is no use if I'm gonna get 2 use out of just one product, which they were low-end product and they weren't too bad price-wise. You're looking at $4.99 to $7.99 depending on where you get them from. So in the end, I'm like, I'm gonna stick with my routine, that same routine, the one where I use shampoo from Calabar and conditioner from Kodonu and so on and so forth. Anyway, after I take down the t-shirt, I put t-shirt on to collect the water and absorb all the water that is the excess water from the shower. 100% cotton shirt absorb more water than a towel would, and it's much gentler. Let's not forget about the smell. This product smells good. I cannot take that away from this line. I went in, finger detangle a little bit just to remove shredded hair out, and I applied the mask to the hair, kind of in 4 sessions, starting from the length of my hair, working my way down. This is gonna be like a you guys need to stick with me on this channel to see the part 2 on how I get on, because when I rinse this out, I am going to attempt to roller set my hair. I don't know how that's gonna go. The mask, I wanted to add it that it's one of those products that when I put it on my hair, there was no such thing as softness. It was just stiff as hell, really stiff. It felt soft after I rinsed it out. Obviously, I went under the dryer for 20 minutes, then rinsed it out. Then I could feel the strongness, as I could feel the strength and the softness that the product had. So that's me now applying the leave-in conditioner, which I have to be honest with you guys, is my favorite product out of the whole line. So I don't know if I will be rebuying the shampoo or the mask, but I like the conditioner and I like the leave-in. So those 2 are my 2 favorite things in this hairline. The tangling was a breeze. I did not struggle the tangling at all. Yes, not the same softness. Obviously, this is a protein product, so I'm not expecting it to be as soft as it would if I use a moisturizing product. So I kind of I know the balance between that, so I can accept the slight stiffness I was experiencing with this. So you guys gonna have to stick with me, because I am gonna kind of made this a mini part 1, and I will be coming back on part 2 where I roller set my hair. Whether I manage to roller set it or I might have to nip to the salon to do it, that is another story altogether. So yeah, I suppose this is it. This is my full wash day using L'Oreal ELVIVE no cut dream length hairline products. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this mini tutorial and step by step on how I wash my hair. For the most part, it might not be this product, it might be another product, but more or less this is my wash day routine. So just a quick a quick glance of the rollers I will be using. My rollers are out, and in that part 2, guys, I think I end up discovering the reason why that box there have been packed packed away for months, because as my hair get longer, the roller setting also get harder. I mean, roller setting it, doing the rollers himself by myself. So these are my, I even have another box that have smaller rollers, the one I used to use when my hair was shorter. So those are the gimmick in there, all packed away, ready to go. So immediately I finish here now, I'm running straight to doing my roller set. So do keep watching to, you know, stay where you are, and look out for the part 2. I think I'm just rambling now. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, guys, please do subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and share if you if you don't mind. I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao.